Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a different product review. This is a skincare product. I have used it since 1.5 years now, and I have experienced visible results in my skin. And I have raved about this product everywhere, and a lot of YouTubers have also spoken about this. This is an amazing product. So let me introduce the product to you. This is Innisfree Super Volcanic Stick Mask. It comes in a cardboard box like this. The inner packaging is something like this, the product, and it comes with a cap. You open the cap and you roll here, and the product comes up, and then you apply it on your dry face. I'm going to show you the application of this product as well. Now, talking about this, it retails for 1100 rupees for 27 grams of product. Now that is a steal, let me tell you, because this is going to last you for at least 5-6 months. The Super Volcanic Clay Mask of Innisfree that I have used before is in a tub version that I have left back in Bangalore. A lot of you know that I have left most of my things in Bangalore back there. I'm going to show you that once I go back. Now this comes in a stick form that was in a creamy texture, and you just need a peanut size amount of that, and then you apply it on your wet face with water, little bit of water, not much. You spread it and you keep it for 20 minutes, and then boom, you just see the glow. Now this is in a stick form. You have to apply it on your dry face and rub it across your face, and then let it stay for about 20 minutes, and then you would see visible results in your face. This is a product that I have sworn by. I have recommended it to a lot of people, and I have seen visible results on their face too. This is a product that is a must for a beginner, for someone who is into skincare since a long time and who wants to take care of your skin. You have acne prone skin, you have sensitive skin, you have blemishes, you don't have anything on your face, still you need a glow, a radiant effect on your skin. This is the product that you need. So this one contains super volcanic cluster capsules in this, and once you apply it on your skin, it releases volcanic minerals into your skin, which removes all the impurities, all the toxins, and makes your skin radiant instantly. This is what happens. Let me read out the ingredients for you. Water, aqua, EAU, glycerin, bis, PEG, 18-methyl ether, dimethylsilane, titanium dioxide, butylene glycol, stearic acid, silica, volcanic ash, microcrystalline cellulose, palmitic acid, sodium hydroxide, xanthan gum, 1,2-hexanediol, cellulose gum, polysorbate, glycerol caprylate, lactic acid or glycolic acid, copolymer, BHT, aluminum hydroxide, and trithocaprylisilane. So directions that Innisfree states is: after cleansing, spread and massage over dry face, avoiding the eye and lip area, and rinse with lukewarm water. You can also rinse it with a little, cold water, not very cold. Now the caution that Innisfree says is: immediately stop using in case of skin abnormalities after use. Always recap after use as quickly as possible after opening, and immediately rinse with water if it gets into your eyes, because never ever let this product get into your eyes. It has volcanic minerals into it. It might be injurious to your eyes, so do not. This is available in Innisfree stores that are in the metro cities and also in Nykaa. So I have ordered this from Nykaa. I have also purchased some Innisfree products from the Innisfree stores itself in Bangalore, but this one I purchased from Nykaa. Now this one gives an instant glow to your skin, and when I'm telling you that I have recommended this to around 20-30 of my friends, they have noticed visible results. I have seen visible results. My skin repaired like magic in 1 year. I know it when I'm telling you that this product is a must have, and please give it a try. That is my suggestion, and I can tell you that you would notice visible results in your skin after 2-3 uses itself. So that was my short review on Innisfree Super Volcanic Stick Mask. I hope you liked it as much as I did while filming it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.